Welcome to Bali.
And the source was your laughter, threw me off the wall, used your face as a master. And the medicine came after, left me in a spot, many miles from the Cessna. One of many in the mess hall, family there and all, making money on the desktop. Was it wrong with the fast cars, many chemicals in the eyes of the master?
Welcome here to Bali. I just arrived yesterday. I only just packed a little bit out here, packed a little bit out here, put my bags over there, my GoPro accessories, camera stuff over here, and for the toilet right here, right here. This bamboo. That's quite cool. It doesn't get any more Bali than that. I was here last year too, so I know a little bit about Bali before I went. It's 30 degrees, really hot. I think I'm gonna be sweating today. I don't have anything in particular planned for today's vlog, but I am of course going to be surfing here just in a moment. The saddest news is that when I got to the airline and collected my surfboard, brought my board from this bag here, I saw that turn on the light, it got completely crushed on both sides, like here and also here, which is a major bummer. But I talked to some of the locals and they said that they could fix it pretty easily, but I just got the board. It's almost brand new and it's already ruined. Fortunately for me, I could borrow one of the locals' boards, 6 foot here, so we're still gonna be surfing a lot. But I'm gonna be waiting for my own board to get fixed, because I'd rather use this than some other board, because this used to be really good. And I just got some new fins too. Can add those to that one, so I'm gonna be waiting on this one. But enough of me talking, I think I'm gonna go surf in just a moment, so see you then. It's quite sunny outside, considering the sun just rose. Okay, so this is actually not from that surf session, but instead of a surf session a couple days after, when I got my normal board back, because then I could mount my GoPro on it, and not with the rented board that I also had, but instead with my normal board. So this is just a couple days ahead, and then we go back in time again afterwards. But the session here that you see is from a couple days after. Enjoy. I gotta get out there. I don't think you can see it, but quite far. I'm almost there though. Almost there. I just got home from surfing and it was pretty good. The waves were kind of small for the visual board, but I think it's fine. But today, as I said before, it's just gonna be like plenty of like sun time and surfing. The rest of the trip, I don't think I really explained like where I'm going on this trip. I'm staying here in Bali for 2 weeks. When I'm done with that, I'm going to Lombok to surf, just see the place. I haven't been there before. And after Lombok, I'm traveling all the way to Fiji. So I'm gonna be transiting in Melbourne, I think, and all the way to Fiji afterwards. I don't really know what to do on Fiji, but I think I'm gonna be surfing a lot because the wave should be perfect. And I'm gonna be hiking. But as I said, I just got home from surfing and I just got a little bit of breakfast. Yep. Generally in Bali, the food is really, really good. They've been like adopting Western culture a little bit. Just gotta be careful not to eat like lettuce washed in their own water. Other than that, shouldn't be a problem. So I am already done with the first session. And now I am off to the beach where I'm gonna be staying for like 2 hours to get some sun. So I'm quite pale at the moment, but I'm gonna see to that. See you at the beach. I just got back. The number one thing I love to do here in Bali, you see that. The watermelon here is really good, but you gotta like wash it first because I don't know, they use like excrements or like poop to fertilize the ground, so you gotta wash it before eating, or else you're gonna get pretty sick. Wouldn't recommend. Let's wash your watermelon. Okay, so I don't have any soap, but I have like this little soap bar, which I'm gonna use, and some normal water, because you can obviously not use their water to drink. It's not drinkable. First, we are gonna play it with a little bit of water. And then soak with it like this. It's great. And that's enough. And then just throw the water on it. And sorry for the echo, the room is not that good. How to wash a watermelon. I don't got a knife either, so it's gonna be quite interesting. I only got these, which I got on the airline when I arrived. Like when we ate the lunch on the airplane. Oh well, they're good. Probably shouldn't wear white when cutting a watermelon. Fuck that. I argue that watermelon on vacation is the best thing. I'll die on this hill saying that. This. There's a secret trick on how to tell if watermelon is good or not, like that. Give me one mark, then it should sound like that. I talked to the guy I stayed with and he told me that there was this beach called Katunga Beach, which should be where some of the really good waves are when the tide is low, I mean high, which it is now. So I'm gonna take this guy with me and grab my scooter and then I'm gonna see you at the beach. Thank you. Makasih. Okay, so what actually happened here was a result of me forgetting to film the beach with my camera and me being too scared to surf because I forgot my leash. But instead, here's some cool drone clips. Roll them. Thank you for following me through the last couple of days in Canggu. This has been like a couple like just casual days. I've been surfing a lot, I've been riding around bikes, not doing all that much. But thank you so much, it's been a pleasure. And I promise that the couple next vlogs are gonna be like a little more action-packed with more hiking and more beautiful landscapes. Tomorrow I'll be hiking the Mount Batur. I think we're gonna go in like at 2 AM in the morning. We're gonna watch the sunset, not the sunset, the sunrise. Of course, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. But other than that, there's not much more to say. Then thank you so much for watching and see you next time.